Okay, hello guys. For some reason that I don't know why she did this, but Maddie put a dirty spoon in the fridge and I have no idea why she did. So, see, I'll prove it that she did. Where is it? Wait, what is she even showing it? Where is it? What? Okay, sorry guys. There's this dirty spoon. I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna go and ask why she did it. Oh my gosh, she's sleeping. Hey Maddie, why did you put a dirty spoon in the fridge? Ah, why did you do that? Why?
What? What are you talking about?
You put a dirty spoon in the fridge.
I didn't.
Then who did it?
I don't know. Where? Where is it?
I put it out already. Hey.
This one?
What?
This one?
Yes, that one.
That was not me.
Yes, you have a smile on your face. Yes, you did. I'm gonna get it done. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, where are you? Oh my gosh.
That was.
Oh my gosh.
I did.
Are there any bullets in this?
Yes, there is. I'm getting that. No.
Oh. Ha. I got proof of you if you shoot me.
Oh, shoot you.
Okay. Ow! Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Whew, he'll never know we're out here. Hey, look. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, he's there. Look at. Oh, God, it's a wasp. There's also a butterfly over there. You see him? Oh, he flew on to another one. Okay, anyway. I'm going to show you my garden. These are jalapenos. Jalapeno by light. Anyway, here's one. Small but mighty. We have some. No! No! No, don't shoot me, please. I'll do whatever you want. I'll do whatever you want for you.
Like what?
Whatever you want. Yeah, I'm not falling for that. I'll do it, I promise. No, still. Oh my gosh, there's a mosquito. It's coming to kill me. Get out! Get inside! Get inside! I'll continue this inside. Surrender. Nope. Okay, that's it for our video today.
Okay. You don't need to say that.
But I have a surprise for this guy.
What?
But I'll show you in a bit. But get that away from me. Bye.